So today we have if 5 exponent 2006 minus 5 exponent 2004 plus 24 all over 5 exponent 2004 plus 1 is equals to a. The question is calculate a without a use of a calculator. So we are required to find the value of a using the left hand side. We have to apply the laws of exponents. The numerator is in exponential form together with the 24 as a whole number. We can't change 24 in an exponential form to have the same base as 5. So what we can do here is to group the 5 exponent 2006 minus 5 exponent 2004 is there in exponential form. Then we keep the 24 as it is. We keep the denominator 5 exponent 2004 plus 1 is equals to a that we're looking for. Then in this term that we group together, they have the same base with different exponents. We'll take out the 5 exponent 2004 as a common factor in these terms. Then we'll have 5 exponent with exponent 2 minus 1 plus 24. We keep the 5 exponent 2004 plus 1 equals to 8. Then what we have to do in the numerator, we keep the 5 exponent 2004. Then we simplify 5 squared as 25 minus 1 plus 24 all over 5 exponent 2004 plus 1. This one is equal to 8. Then 25 minus 1 is 24. So in the numerator now we have 24 times the 5 exponent 2004 plus 24. Keep the denominator and the equal sign. Again, in the numerator now we need to factorize. There are two terms that have 24. Take out the 24 as a common factor. We'll be left with 5 exponent 2004 plus 1 all over 5 exponent 2004 plus 1 is equals to 8. Then now we can divide. This can divide this. Then we'll be left with 24 and equal sign a. Therefore, a is equals to 24. Solve for x. Oh yes, I know you wanna do it. Yes, please comment below with your final answer. Thank you.